In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Canva Pro background text box. So first, you can see I open a design on my uh, PC on Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. So first, I import a text. Example purpose this one. Okay. Now I need to going on just element. Then click on shapes. Here are the tons of shapes. You can choose anyone which one you want to add. So I want to select this rectangle, so you can change its color and it resize doing. Then if I change it to yellow or red and etc, example purpose I choose this one, and if you double click on, you can read on here. It's start on here. You can see it's already start this. Then you can change it to side and middle and font. Now if you want to just add on this tag, so first I delete this heading hello. Okay, now just add on this box. You can keep it small and bigger as well, no matter. And if you want to change its color by a round shape, wow, this is good. And this is side. Okay, I don't need this one, and just go back this. Thank you. And if you want to change its color, just select all, then click on A, then you can change its to any color. Thanks for watching. See you again.